Why landing pages are necessary if you need to generate more leads and conversions. Website and your landing pages are two different things as both serves different purpose. Websites are more like a PR website where it features and gives overview about your brand, product, services. It helps navigate people from different sections of your website. Your website talks more about your brand, tells about your story, and helps to create credibility and trust. While landing page sole purpose is to drive conversions and with laser specific to helping audience and convincing them to take specific actions like signing up, registering, inquiring now, buying products from your website, or download your mobile application. Hey everyone, Abbas Kapasi here, and I've created this video to help the founders and marketers who are facing problem to convert their traffic into conversions. This video is for everyone who is looking to generate more conversions through their marketing campaigns. So here are the 5 core copy ingredients for the landing page. But before we move, please subscribe our channel so that this will motivate us to create more and more videos like this, which will help people to grow their business. And at the last of this video, we are also going to share the bonus tip. So stay till the end. So let's begin. So first ingredient is high value promise. Yes, it all starts with high value promise. So you have to convey to your visitors a clear and a singular benefit that what exactly they can expect to read this content. So you have to make a high value promise that is authentic and which you can deliver. So never ever make any false promises, because your visitors is smart and they know why exactly you are asking their email address or the phone number. So the second ingredient is the reason why. So you have to give a strong reason that why you are offering something for free, because you have to answer their inner critic. Your visitors will always have question that why you are giving something for free or at a discounted rate if that values to you. So providing an authentic reason will help you to build a trust. Third ingredient, very important ingredient for landing page copy, is authentic social proof. Yes, you have to provide some authentic social proof which will help your visitors to alleviate their fears and doubts about the commitment of your offerings. So if you provide with some authentic social proof using testimonials, reviews, and providing the screenshots like this, and this, you will be able to alleviate their fears. And social proof has always worked for us to generate more sales and generate more leads. Fourth most important ingredient of a copy is clear CTA, that is call to action. Studies have shown that you have just 5 to 10 seconds to convince your visitors why they need to stay on your page before they bounce back. So it becomes very important for you to make it clear about your offer and how to avail it in a simple way. Your CTA needs to be in front and center, leaving no room of confusion for your prospect where they need to click next. So CTA needs to be easy to spot and use. Fifth ingredient of your copy is brand consistency. Your brand message should align seamlessly on various channels with your landing page and the commitment you offer. Your brand message needs to have a strong voice that remains steady in all the communications. Time for the bonus tips. So tip number 1, FOMO. This has always worked for me. If you're providing something at discount or free, create a sense of urgency and exclusivity. FOMO will drive your audience to take quick decisions. Tip number 2, different landing pages. So if you are creating different campaigns, addressing different pain points and different target audience, your landing ad copy needs to align with those things. So create different ad copies for different objectives. And tip number 3, keep your copy short and sweet. As the famous Albert Einstein once said, if you can't explain something simply, then you don't understand well enough. And if you don't understand, your audience will never understand. So keep your landing page copy sweet and short so that people can understand it well. So if you have found this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up. And if anything has worked for you, then please comment below. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe our channel.